film a chipmunk. Alright, well we're heading out of this spot and going into Bend, Oregon. It's the coldest, rainiest day we've had here. We barely got enough time to put the kayak and the mountain bike on the roof, not in the rain. I guess Oregon, I hear there's lots of rain, and here we go, we got it. So yeah, we're gonna head into Bend and we're gonna meet up, who are we gonna meet up with again? And we're gonna meet up with Keith Co. He's lives out of a really sweet off-grid, off-road trailer. He's working on it right now, but anyways, we're gonna go hang out at his shop, meet up with a bunch of people in Bend this week, so I'm excited.
Bye-bye, Spot, you're amazing.
Bend, Oregon. There's like a little pump track right here, no way.
I'm gonna ride that, it's gonna be great.
But first we're following Mr. Keith Co to some real deal jumperoonie tunes. Wow. These deer are so cool.
I don't care if you're gonna financially break me, truck. I like you anyway.
They're hiding out in the rain, but they're quite confused about this domestic animal. I don't know what to think of it. Do they have a threat? Or a friend?
Oh, look, there's a rainbow over here, see?
Oh, rainbow?
You see it?
This place has everything. Deers, rainbow,
Big jumps.
big jumps, Cummins.
It's like paradise.
I think it is. These jumps are a little too big though. Luckily, there's some nice jumps up here that aren't too big. They're just right. Oh, these jumps are too big. Oh, these jumps are too small. But these ones are just right. This place is insanity. Look at the berm up there. Look at this. Look at these lines everywhere. Lines everywhere down this hill. And look at this. Lines, jumps everywhere. The cool thing is I can actually hit like half of them. Alright, well, I'm about to hit the most epic dirt jumps I've hit in a very long time. Got my beautiful transition dirt bag all ready to go. It's warmed up on a nice little drop, so we'll see what's up.
Yep, that's it.
Ooh, this was nice and tight. Woo! How you doing? Good. Whoa! Dang gear skip. Woo! That was gnarly. The gear skipped right before foot came off. Woo! I thought I was going over, but it was one of those, nah, stay with it. Stay with it, ride it out. Oh. There's a storm a-coming, so get this bike loaded back on the roof. The wheel is good to go. It's starting to rain now. we got the bike loaded. We gotta pack up and get out of here. Back to Phil that's running the mountain bike video. Was that good, Phil? How'd we do?
You did freaking awesome, Phil. Now let's get out of here.
We're following Keith out to meet up with these guys. Absolutely beautiful though. Got a little like sunset going. It's just awesome out here. Pretty fun to follow another Dodge Ram Cummins as well. Keith's down to mob, so keep a pretty good pace. Looks like we have arrived, ladies and gentlemen. Wow. That's how I feel about Bend, Oregon. Wow. Absolute overload of adventure. So, I'm just gonna explain the last 24 hours to you because that's about all I can process. And, well, I don't even know. I can't really process this. Anyways, I'm gonna explain the last 24 hours. So, yesterday, hanging out at Keith's place. Wait, was this yesterday? No. Wow. Day before yesterday, Overkill Campers went to their shop, did some epic rig walkarounds.
We design these campers to follow your rig wherever it can take you. So, if you can do it, this trailer will do it with you. And that was kind of our main objective, was to do something a little over the top, built the way we'd want it to be built in America, all in the house. Everything we do ourselves is handmade, and we just like quality, and we think that people of this industry should also enjoy quality.
Went to Keith's house, stayed at Keith's house, hung out with Megan in her 4x4 van and Keith, and watched Keith build his tiny home off-road trailer. That was super cool, got me super pumped and super like excited and creative and make me want to build another rig, which I know is a silly idea because I love this one. That's fun. Cool girl, there's deer. Yeah, do you smell them? Do you sense them? Sometimes at camp, it's nice to have an extra hand to help you do things like wax your vehicle. Nice and shiny.
I got like 50 followers from the shout out, man.
Oh, nice. Beautiful van. While opening drawers around camp. This is a great truck. Oh, and look at Keith. Hey, thanks there. You missed a spot, right? Hold on, yeah, right. Oh,
Jeez, Phil.
right there.
Like frickin' waxing
Yeah,
sandpaper.
just kidding. That was really fun. Absolutely amazing mountain bike jumps. Hit up Tobias, and Tobias was camping with a whole gaggle of amazing van life people. And we went over to their camp. They were just a mile away, I don't know, not even. So we went over to their camp last night, and I think it was 6 other rigs, 6 other vans and trucks and vanagons and an old VW bus. Every person was living full time in all of these 6 rigs. Oh, anyways, I'm absolute overloaded. I just met the coolest people, the most amount of cool people that I've ever met in one campsite, and I'm so thankful for that. And you guys are so cool, and I just can't wait to come back to Bend. I'm kind of like, look at this. We got Sprinter Ran, schoolie, Arctic Fox, 4-wheel camper. We're gonna go head into Bend, Oregon and take Coda to the vet and do some checkups before we cross the border and just run some errands. But loving this full-time life on the road, meeting cool people like Keith. I want you along for the ride, and the only way to do that is subscribe. Hope you enjoyed this video. We'll see you on the next one. Really, the only question I have for you would be, are you down to mob over are you down to the only question I have is, are you down to mob Overland? Are you down to mob? The only question I have for you, the only question is, are you down to mob?